inside. There's got some because here's a label on it, so you can see. And there's no label on it, so you can see as well. So that's a concept. And there's cheese and there's cheese and there's the chocolate. And also got the Greek, and there's cheese. There's a rice stream, and there's the spoon. There's a spoon. There's chicken, and there's a soft cheese. And inside's working good. That's more enjoying. Inside, I'm just gonna have to press it like exercise. It is. I'm gonna do it in a minute. I'm gonna do it in a minute. Down here. We got some 3 ice packs. Yep. There's a burger and there's flapjack and there's sausages. I need sausages here. And there's chicken livers there. There's a pie right there. That's bread. Another chicken. And these chicken livers and chicken livers. Yeah, and these chicken legs and the burger. It got exercise, sympathy stuff. It's ice creams. Yep, ice creams. Mushroom, cow, pear, fish, chicken, cow, grapes, fish, bread, cheese, and cucumber, jar, cake, chicken, and some carrots. Some hips on here to stand out, you can see. And there is a label on that, so you can see. Okay. We should film a Hotpoint washing machine, time dryer, best stuff. But I got a towel to wash upstairs because yours didn't wash already, so see you later in the morning.